Today we will understand an algorithm for push operation using stack. Before we step into this algorithm explanation, so we will learn the meaning of stack. What do you mean by stack? Stack is an ordered collection of elements. These are elements. This is the ordered collection of elements. Insertion, we are insertion and deletion, insertion and deletion takes place at the same end. This is the only end. Insertion also and deletion also takes place at this end only. So we can say it as stack. So it is a stack is a ordered collection of elements. Insertion and deletion takes place takes place at the same end. Okay now. So this is what a stack. So stack is a array. It is an array. That means it can store more than one element. We can say it as an array. So that contains how many elements? N elements. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 elements we are storing. And top is the pointer to the top element of the array. So in this top element of the array is what? 30. Correct? Top element of the array is 30. So at which position this 30 is available? So now at this position 0, 0th position, 10 element is available, and first position 20 is available, and second position 30 is available. So 30 is what? Top element of this array. So we are pointing to this position. We are pointing to this position. So we can say this as top. We can say it as a top. So top is the pointer to the top element of the array. In this example, top is 2. Now tell me, in this example, what is top? What is the top element in this? 10 is the top element. So this 10 element is located at this position, 0th position. So this is the top element of the array pointing to this position is called top. This is top. Now in this example, what is top? There is no top element of the array, so we can say the top is null. Okay now. So this is about a detailed explanation about this stack related information. So now we will concentrate on this algorithm. Now for this case we are discussing now in this example, top is how much? 2. So 2 is equal to n is how much? N is 1, 2, 3. Total number of elements is 3. So n is 3. So n minus 1, n minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Correct? So now n minus 1, 2 is substituted here. 2 substituted here. Okay now? 2 substituted here. So again, this top value how much? Top value how much? 2. 2. So 2 equal to 2. So which becomes true. True. This condition becomes true for this example. With this example. Okay now? So once if it is true, this statement will be executed. The first statement and this second statement will be executed. So what the first statement? Stack is full. See, so we cannot able to push an element into the stack. So that's why stack is full. If the stack is full, we cannot able to insert an element into the stack. So once if it is full, we cannot able to insert, right? That's why we will use exit statement. What is the use of this exit statement? Whenever the stack is full, no need to continue, no need to push an element to the stack. We are moving out from this if block, not if block. We are moving out from the algorithm. It will come out from this algorithm. So this is the case for this example. Okay now. So next we will move into this example now. Okay now. Now I am taking top value for this. What is the top value for this? 0. So 0 is the top value. Correct? So this is the top value. So now top value 0 we are substituting with n minus 1. N minus 1 how much? N is how many elements are there? So not elements, the size of an array. How many elements we can accommodate? 3 elements. So n is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So 0 equal to 2. Is it true? 0 is different, 2 is different. So it becomes false. It becomes false. Correct? It becomes false. So whenever if it is false, this statement will not execute. Even this statement both will not execute. So what happens when if it is not executed? It will come out and it will move to the step 2. The step 2 statement will be executed. The step 2 statement will be executed. Okay. So what is step 2 statement? Top is equal to top plus 1. What is top? What is top? Top is 0. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 how much? 0 plus 1, 1. So now top, earlier it was 0. It will be erased and placed 1. Now this top value substituted here. Top value substituted here. What value substituted? 1 value substituted. This 1 value we are substituting here. So the stock of 1 is how much? Stock of 1 contain no element. So what value we are accommodating? Item we are accommodating. Item value we are accommodating. So let us take, I am assuming item as some 20. So this 20 value this 20 value, this 20 value where this item contains 20 value, the 20 value we are moving into stock of top. Stock of top means what? Stock of 1. Stock of 1 means this memory location we are moving. What value we are moving? What value we are moving? 20 we are moving. 20 we are moving. Stock of 1 we are moving into this. So 20 value we are moving. Okay, now. So now it doesn't mean it is a, we are pushing this element into the stack, top of the stack. This is the top of the stack. At this position we are moving this 20 element. This is push operation. We are pushing 20 element into this stack of 1. This is push operation. Okay, so this is about detailed explanation about this case and this case. Now next, another case when stack is empty. When stack is empty, so usually this algorithm will not suit for this approach. This example, so we have to need modification for this. Okay, so this is what I constructed an algorithm. Okay, so in this, will it work or not? We will see. I'm taking, suppose take top equal to null. So in this example, so what is top? What is top? What is top? Top is null. Top null. If it is top is null, we are assigning top as -1. So we are erasing null value and we are assigning -1. We are assigning -1. So this now top becomes -1 now. Once if it is -1, it will move to here. Top is -1, right? -1 is equal to n minus 1. N is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, n minus 1 is 2. Top is -1. -1 is equal to 2 becomes a false. If it is false, this statement will not execute. Where it will go? It will come out from this if block and moves to the step 3. It will execute this statement. Now top is equal to top plus 1, right? Top is how much? -1. -1 plus 1, 0. So now top becomes what? 0. It will be erased. Top becomes 0 now. So now stock of top means this is stock of top. That means stock of 0. That means top value 0 will be substituted in this. It becomes the stock of 0. Now item, suppose item, I am considering item as a 10. So the 10 value we are moving into the stock of top. So stock of top, if you move 10 value, the value it will be moved to this memory location. So the 10 will be placed here. So this is the perfect example, perfect algorithm for this case. But both two cases, that example you can take. Usually you will consider this approach only because of a marks related criteria. Okay, thank you. If you have any queries, please leave your comments. Thank you, all.